Morning children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class will continue learning block 7. Previous class we learned about the wild animals and we learned where do they live and how are they able to survive there and what all they need to live in the forest. So today's class will continue learning about animals only children. You can see the topic legs of animals. Today's lesson is about legs of animals. Do you have legs children? Yes. How many legs do we have? 2. Why do we have legs children? Yeah, to move from one place to another place, to run, to walk, to get things, right? So let us see how many legs do the different animals have and how are the legs helpful to them. Let us get started to the lesson children. Aim of today's classes. We already know that we have 2 legs. Today we will sort, means we will classify the animals with different number of legs. Yeah, you will be surprised children. We have 2 legs, but animals have the number of legs for different animals are different from each other, and let us see how can we classify them based on the number of legs they have. So as a part of today's lesson, so you can learn as you shall continue learning the names of different animals what we are going to discuss in this class as the keywords. Let us get started children. So now you have to take open your content book. So in content book we have some pictures. So let us see the pictures, and from the content book only our activity is going to be. So we'll go count the number of, you will see each picture and we'll count the number of legs the animals have, and also we'll discuss how we later, after checking all the pictures, we'll classify them as 2 legs, 4 legs, 6 legs and more than 6 legs animals. Let us get started children. Yes children, so today we will do the activity using our content book, and also you can keep open your EVS notebook. You see the pictures children. Lesson 2, legs of animals. The first animal, can you see? Yeah, it is an eagle. So how many legs does it have children? Count it. 1, 2. Not only eagle, no children, most of the birds you are seeing in your surrounding, crow, pigeon, sparrow, hen, how many legs do they have? 2 legs. So in your EVS notebook you write eagle. First picture is eagle. How many legs? 2 legs. And why? How the legs are helpful to the bird? Yes, to walk. Yes, it moves by flying, but even then to hold the branches, to catch hold the food, and also to walk to small distances, to climb the tree and all, for different purpose. Even the legs have sharp claws based on their food eating habits, and they will use them to tear the flesh or to break open the nuts and eat. So legs are very useful to the birds, and they have 2 legs. Now next you see children, there is a monitor lizard. This picture even we saw in the video also now. So you see that it is having front legs too, and at the back also it has 2 legs. Yes, 4 legs and hind legs. Totally they have 4 legs. Any other animal children which has 4 legs? Very good. You can see the giraffe. You can see the elephant also. In the picture itself you can see 4 legs. So now in your EVS notebook you'll write 2, and you can write second one is not only monitor lizard, elephant, giraffe, they all have 4 legs. Even you can add up children. Cow, goat, sheep, so many other animals also, whichever you have seen which has 4 legs, you can add up there. So these all animals have 4 legs, and we will take the elephant and we will discuss how does the 4 legs helpful to the elephant children. Yeah, to search the food, to search for the water. We saw in the previous lesson, wild animals search for their food. They can find their own food, they can get their water, and they can clean their body themselves, and even they can find out their shelter, they can make their own shelter. For all these purpose, the legs, and also very important thing is to escape from the enemies also, the legs are very important. As soon as I say this, you remember the deer, how it was escaping from the tiger in the previous class we learned. So these 4 legs helps them to move and also to search the food and also to escape from the animals. And do you know that children, some animals, they have more than 4 legs also. Let us see here. Can you see the ant, children? Can you see the ant picture? Yes. Count the number of legs. 6 legs. Not only ant, most of the insects have 6 legs. They have 6 legs, and the 6 legs they use to move. Yes, see the ant. Even you can add up bees, uh, butterfly. All these have insects have 6 legs. So now third one in your notebook is ant, bees, butterflies have 6 legs. Now next part is you see the spider. How many legs does the spider has? Count the number of legs the spider has, children. Yeah, 8 legs. Spider has 8 legs. Not only spider, children, some more animals like crab also has 6 legs. So you can add up the fourth animal is the spider. It has 8 legs. Not only spider, you can add up the crab also in that list. Next you see snakes. They have no legs. So fifth one is snake, no legs. And not only snakes, even snail has no legs. Then how do they move? So here ant, I said they'll move using the legs. Even spider, it is using to make the web, to move, to catch hold of their prey. There's food they catch. These legs are helpful. So snakes, how do they move, children? They'll push their body. They push their body and they will move. The muscles in their body will help them to move. Same way in the snail also. Even they don't have the legs. They can move by pushing the muscles in their body, and they can move forward, backwards and frontwards. They will push the muscles and they can move, children. So now see here, different animals we have discussed, and as I told you, all these animals names you will learn as the spelling, children. So let us see we'll read what is given in the content book also. Most animals that live on land have legs, but the number of legs differ in animals. Animals may have 2 legs, 4 legs, or more than 4 legs. See there, eagle and birds. You can add up that list. You can keep on adding. For the 2 legs animals, more numbers you can add up, children. Monitor lizard, 4 legs. Elephant, 4 legs. Giraffe, 4 legs. Animals use their legs to walk, run, or crawl. They move to search for food and shelter. Legs also help them to run away from danger. Some animals like snakes and snails do not have legs. They push their whole bodies to move. Yes, children? Yeah, children. So now we will discuss what all we have seen as pictures after the activity. We understood that animals have legs, but the number of legs differ from one animal to another animal. How are legs of a giraffe and those of a wild spider different, children? How many legs do giraffe has? Very good, 4. Spider, 8 legs. You can see that. A giraffe and a wild spider have different number of legs. A giraffe has 4 legs, a spider has 8 legs. How can we classify animals based on their legs? That's what you wrote in your notebook, no, children? Different animals have different number of legs. Animals like eagle, and I told you to add up some more birds' names. Here ostrich is given, have 2 legs. Monitor lizards and bears have 4 legs. Some animals like ants have 6 legs. Other animals like spiders and scorpions have more than 6 legs. Some animals like snails and snakes do not have legs. So that already you have written in your notebook. A snail does not have legs. How does it move? We learned. Yes, it moves by moving its body. It will push its body and it will try to move, children. So that is what we were trying to understand in this lesson, no, children? How do the animals differ by the number of legs they have? Now it's a time for us to see what is given in our workbook. Let us check, children. Yeah, now you'll take open your workbook. Already we read what is given in the content book. See here, write the date. How do the legs of animals help them? So now let us see. Try to answer. Tick the correct answer. To walk or run, to search for food, to sleep. Yes, to walk or run, to search for food, but to sleep they will not use the legs, so no need to tick it, or you can just cross it. Yes, children. Next, second question. Sort the animals. Sorting means classifying the animals given in the box based on the number of legs they have. 4 legs. So you see the each and every animal and where it has to go. First you see eagle. So eagle, where it has to go, children? 4 legs or 6 legs or more than 4 legs, just you think. Next, zebra. Very good. 4 legs, right? So you can write here 4 legs, you can write zebra. And elephant also here only, na children? 4 legs. Very good. Now spider, children, more than 6, so it should come here. Spider. Crab, how many legs? Again it is more than 6 legs. Ant, children, it is 6 legs. Now what about the eagle? Eagle has only 2 legs, so here that is not there, so you cannot write it anywhere. Yes, children. Now next question. How does a snake move? That's what we are, by pushing its, by pushing the body. By pushing the body, it moves. Snakes move. So you can write it as usual, put in your own words also. How after reading what, children? This content page. See the number of the different pictures, and also by reading that you will complete. Now let us see what is given as practice questions in the content book given. Underline the animal that has 2 legs. Scorpion, spider, ostrich. Very good. Ostrich you have to underline because it's a bird. What will happen if a lion injures one of its legs? So what will happen, children? So if the lion, it will be unable to walk. So that this you can think and write on your own. So it can't run fast. It cannot get the food. Yes, even though it is having 4 legs, one leg is injured. It can manage to move small distance, but it can't run fast to get the food. So that you can write on your own. Third question. Name an animal that does not have any legs. How does it move? So already we saw in the workbook about the snake. So here you won't write snake, you can write, or you won't write snail, by moving its body. So this already even in your, so they push their whole bodies to move. It is there in your content book itself. See here it is there. So by reading it, underlining that, see here, I'll underline that. See here. So that point only you can see snakes and snails also given. So using that you can complete the practice question. So as I told you, keywords. Now here only you see eagle, E-A-G-L-E, monitor, lizard, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, L-I-Z-A-R-D, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, ant, A-N-T, spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, snake, S-N-A-K-E, snails are there, S-N-A-I-L. Even some more animals also there in this. Wherever you find, you learn the spellings as keywords, so that you can be able to write the animal name and also how many legs they have. So you can add up the list, children. 2 legs, some more animals. 4 legs, some more animals. 6 legs, some more insects. And more than 6 legs, some more. And without legs, snake, snail. Is there any other animal also there? Find out and write it. Make a list of this and keep it ready before the next class, children. Let us meet in the next class. Bye bye, children.